2, 3, 8, 6, 7, 14.
Say your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, P, L, P, Q, R, S. Now I know my C. Now next time you won't you sing to me.
Yay! Sing them again.
Okay. A, B, C, D. Now you sing to me. Next time you won't you sing to me. Yay!
You didn't sing them all the way through. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Now P, Q, R, S, A, B, C. Now next time.
No, you not singing it right. Sing A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D, E, S, G, H, I, K, P, L, P, Q, R, S, Y, and Z. Yay! Know my C's. Now next time you won't you sing to me.
That's so good.
I'm gonna take a picture again.
You want to take a picture? What's your name?
I'm a big sister.
You're a big sister. What's your name?
I'm not a choir no more. I'm a big sister.
You're not a Koya no more?
I'm a big sister now.
You are?
Mm-hmm. Press that button. Press that button.
Why?
Press
What
that.
does it make it do?
I want to have it.
Hold on a minute.
I will show you.
You will show me what?
No, I want to take a picture.
Did you tell me please?
Please.
Are you going to be happy?
Yeah.
Show me happy. Show me happy, girl. Oh.